50 years of clinical experience will be unlocked when Masakazu Ikeda sensei presents his 29th and final international workshop.
For me, originally, being involved with Ikeda sensei was an eye-opening experience after studying TCM and really discovering that there was a living master who had fused together the traditional Chinese medicine with the meridian therapy to form a theory of classical medicine that was complete and more holistic, drawing from both the root of disease right through to the branches of the disease, formulating that Ben and Biao connection like I have not witnessed from any other masters previously.
This unique workshop will demonstrate how a refined, potent set of clinical tools linked with a deep understanding of the Chinese classics can help you build a rewarding and prosperous practice.